guys, welcome to my video tonight. I have a surprise for you guys. Tonight I'm going to be doing a unboxing review. I've been waiting for this wig for about a week and a half now, so I'm excited to let you guys know that tonight we are going to do a Hairvivi reveal. Like, I really want to see if this wig is all what the hype is about, like all the specs about it. No plucking, no needing to really attach the lace to your hair. And you guys know I'm natural. I really didn't even do anything to my hair today. I'm just gonna put a cap on it just to see how it, lays down. I am gonna get some cornrows in my hair so that way the wig can lay flat, but we're just gonna test it out tonight so we can just see, like, out the box what it looks like. Can I really throw it on and go? So with further ado, let's get into the vlog. All right guys, so from here I am going to unpackage it. It came wrapped in this inside of a DHL package. And I'm just gonna take this off. Sorry guys. Put that over there. And for one, the packaging is beautiful. Can you guys see that? Handled with care. I do love that. We love a good packaging. I don't want to mess up the ribbon. Put that over there. And we are going to take out our wig. And as you can tell, it comes with instructions. Oh my God, y'all, I'm so excited. And of course, it comes with the packaging. Like, packaging is really nice. From all the videos I've seen on TV, yes. This is a plus. Alright, and now we got, let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is your extra combs and elastic band. Okay. I don't use the combs because I love my edges. So we'll keep that in there. And guys, without further ado, oh my goodness. I love the satin bag. I keep all my wigs that I have. Take the paper out. It's just to kind of keep the, to make it look like it was on someone's head. Got the Chase brown ombre hair ready to wear. And remember, don't clip your tag off until you try the wig on. So that's what we're about to do. All right guys, so I probably will have to go get my wig cap because it did not come with a cap inside like some of the reviews that I see. Let's see. It does have the elastic band on here. Remember, do not touch the tag until you try it on. Oh my gosh, I love this color. And it does smell good. It smells fresh. All right, I know I just have like my little halo thing going on today. I'm gonna try to Let me go get my cap so I can put a cap on my head because I want it to lay nice and flat. 1 second. All right, guys, so I'm back and I got my cap. Yeah, no, I keep it 100 with y'all. I'm only gonna put one cap on. I don't do a ball cap method or nothing like that. I'm just gonna put this on to kind of flatten my hair a little bit, since your girl hair is not braided down. I'll get it braided down this week. When I got my package, I just couldn't wait. I was like, no, I got to do this review. And you know, your girl gotta take all these sideburns off because, you know, that's too much. I'm so excited and so nervous at the same time. So let's see. Put this on like this. My whole thing is I want to make sure it's comfortable on my hair, because on my head, because I have a lot of hair. And you want to make sure. Oh wow, I most definitely am going to have to braid my hair for sure. Oh, my little thinking. Hold on. We gotta start all over. I'm trying not to poke a hole. I got these claws. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe I don't need the band. I just don't want to rip it. I'm trying to be gentle as can be. Your girl got... Y'all can still see the cap underneath it, but let me pull it back some. But then you can see my hair too. Okay. Now y'all see that I haven't even cut the lace, but you still can see my hair. That's the only problem I have, is because I actually have like a good hairline. My hairline is not far back, so we'll figure that part out. What? Once you the hair smells really good, for real, for real. You just have to put some It actually fits like my, sad to say, my sideburns, which I'm not leaving them because that's too much hair. But let me see. I definitely have to get my hair braided down in order for it to lay the way I want it to lay. But once I pull it up, yes, you don't see anything, but I still got the lace on. You most definitely don't need the band. My hair is really holding it tight, but if my braids were going back, it probably would be different. Yeah, I like the parting. It looks very natural. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. You see, I wanna do a little bit. I don't wanna do it too. I'm gonna leave some just in case, because you can always cut, like take your time. But if you cut too much, there's no going back. Okay. I'm not gonna cut the ear tabs just yet because I want to get my hair braided down first before I do that. I see it's right here, but I want to wait. I still got a little bit more lace that I can get rid of. Okay. And of course the sides. I think this is why I love closure wigs, because they stop here. But I said I wanted to try something different when it comes to being able to like wear my hair back. But see, I don't have a hairline like that. Unfortunately, I have a full, but I mean, it still doesn't look bad. To me, I just think that's too close to my face, but, and I don't do baby hairs. Like, I'm not a baby hair kind of girl. So, I still feel like I need to do, I still feel like I need to pluck like right there. I feel like it's still too much hair. Like to me, it still looks like a wig. They definitely give you like hella parting space. So if I wanted to flip it, okay, I'm gonna go get my wand so that way I can like flatten the hair down and fix it. Add some framing to the sides because it's just like there's no to it. I need to put something to it. It's just all one length. So yeah, let me do that. I'll be back. All right, so I just brought my Sebastian spray. I don't want to weigh it down too much. I was going to use the stick, but I don't want to weigh it down. So handy dandy little blade. My face, I'm gonna frame my face a little bit. So we're just gonna do it like It holds a curl. Well, it curls. I'm really big on flexi rods, but because I'm trying to show you guys this tonight, we're not gonna do no flexi rods. And the hair smells so good too. I know I said it earlier, but it does. And these are just some quick curls that I'm putting in my hair just till I just want to see how it looks once it's, you know, on the head. How's she looking? I have too much hair. I can't cornrow my own hair. I'm gonna have to get my mom or one of my girlfriends to do it for me. Okay, there we go. Now let's do push that back. I didn't bring mine. I'm in our other bathroom. I did not bring my brush. That's fine. Ooh. See, I like to curl when I have my wigs. I like to curl the hair before I put the wig on. Yes. Oh, it curls so good. Let's see. It's gonna have that hump right there because my hair isn't braided down right, y'all, but it is most definitely because I have my twist right there. I think I curled the other side better. I'm a lefty, so the left side of my head is always curled better. We just gonna flip it. Okay. Yes, it is cute. So this is most definitely a keeper. I don't think how everybody else wears their wigs, like how they, I don't know, because I have hair still right there, so I'm gonna figure that out. I may just have to slick that back real good, maybe do a little light baby hair, something right there, just to disguise it. But I will tell you guys, the hair is cute, the wig is beautiful, it's soft, it smells good. The luster of it, it's full enough. I don't need it to be no thicker than this. But yeah, this is really nice. I love the ombre look. The ends are voluptuous, they're juicy, they're not dry. I just put a little layers on the side so it can frame my face, which I probably will curl this piece again to make it like really frame my face on this side. There we go. Let's do that one. Up my part. No. that's it. I do like the wig. The only problem for me is that I actually have my baby hairs still. So I'll figure a way out how to disguise that. But for now, it's a keeper. It is most definitely a keeper. I love the ombre look. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. If you're gonna give this wig a try, I will put the link below of the exact name of the wig that I got, as well as the website, Hairvivi. And I say it's a go. If you want to invest in a good quality wig that is going to last you, and the hair feels beautiful and it smells so good, and the packaging was beautiful, and I just think it's a quick go for the girls who just don't know how to do the plucking and all the bleaching like that. I don't know how to do. I've tried it. It will get too orangey. So this is more my style. I most definitely am game for this, so I could just cut it and go. You just may have to customize it to the liking of your head, depending on your framing of your hairline. But I say it's a go, and it's a plus. And she's going to be worn tomorrow to work. Yes, ma'am. And guys, don't forget, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. On the move with I'm just trying to get in the habit of doing a little bit of all the things that I like to do: hair, fashion, travel, cooking, you name it. Just being me. But this wig I love, and I ordered it off again. Website, Hairvivi. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.